Welcome to my humble abode, your go-to channel for skincare. I'm not a professional and I don't claim to be one. I am just a girl who is crazy over skincare. So in today's video, we are going to discuss skin functional products for beginners. So my DMs flood with, "Hey Tay, I know that you love skin functional, please help me, I don't know what products to use." So that's exactly what this video is going to be doing today. I'm not going to go into mad detail, difficult pronunciations, and the science behind skincare. I'm literally just going to say, based on your skin concern, this is the product that you should be using. Okay, so just some general tips to start off with. 1, don't use more than 3 serums at a time. And 2, start off with your water-based solutions, then move on to your anhydrous solutions, and then move on to your cream solutions. Simple? You got it, girl. Alright, so let's start off with exfoliation. So you need to understand what skin type you have. If you have dry skin, you would want to use the 10% lactic acid plus 3% B5. If you have oily or acne prone skin, go in with the 9% BHA, which is also known as salicylic acid. So these are going to exfoliate your skin for you. It is a leave-on treatment. So just take a teeny bit amount, put it onto your skin, leave it. Sometimes it is quite sticky, so don't put a lot of it. You'd want to use this like twice a week. I come from damaging my skin barrier from over exfoliating. If you're a day one, you know that the girl has this bad dry skin because of over exfoliating and damaging my skin barrier. So when it comes to exfoliation, I always recommend caution. Do not over exfoliate your skin. 2 times a week. I would even bring it down to once a week or even once in 2 weeks. Understand your skin, know what your skin likes and what your skin needs. And my major advice would just be, please be careful. When you chemically exfoliate your skin and you use these products, you're most likely to see really big differences in your skin texture, a lot of glowing, a lot of evening out of your skin tone. So I know it can be addictive. That's what happened to me. You know, I was like, oh my gosh, look at my skin, it looks amazing, I need more, and then I screwed my skin up. Don't make that mistake. So just be careful and take caution with how often you exfoliate. So let's move on to skin concerns. If you struggle with hyperpigmentation, then you would want to go in with the 2% alpha arbutin. Remember, hyperpigmentation takes a while to actually develop, so it's going to take time to go away. Depending on how serious and how deep your hyperpigmentation is, you might need to be using a few of these bottles, but trust, it really does work. In this case, this here is a water-based solution, so this will go on first to your skin. Remember the second tip I gave you at the beginning? If you have oily skin, you would want to be going in with the 10% niacinamide. So niacinamide helps to regulate the sebum production on your skin. The reason your skin is oily is because your skin is overproducing sebum. So you want a product that is going to help you regulate that sebum production, and that's where your niacinamide comes in. If you have sensitive skin, please note that 10% of niacinamide might be too strong for you and your skin may react to it. If you don't have those issues, girl, you're gonna love her. If you have dry skin, you want to go in with the 2% hyaluronic acid plus 4% B5. B5 is panthenol, and panthenol is also very moisturizing. Hyaluronic acid is skin identical. Your own skin actually produces hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. A humectant draws moisture from around it and binds it onto you. Just remember, if you are in a ridiculously dry area, hyaluronic acid still needs to grab onto water and bind to it. It actually can end up backfiring on you, because what it would then do, if it can't grab the water from around it because there's no humidity, it will go into your skin, hun, and it will draw the water from your skin, leaving you more hydrated. So that's another caution. However, if your environment is good, you're gonna love this baby. She's gonna bring a lot of moisture into your life. And then barrier support. You've damaged your skin barrier. I always explain on my channel and I'm gonna do it again. This is what your skin should look like. The cells should be holding really tight and it should defend you against any allergens and bacteria so that they don't get into your skin, but then it should also hold in the moisture into your skin so it doesn't get out. If you have a damaged skin barrier, ooh, you got some holes in there, so bacteria is gonna come in, allergens are gonna come in, you're gonna be acne prone, you're gonna see breakouts, you're probably gonna see acne, you're gonna see inflammation, you're gonna see a lot of dryness because your skin can't hold on to that moisture anymore. So you've got a skin barrier problem. You want to go in with the liquid moisturizer, which is 2% ceramides plus GABA. This is my favorite skin functional product at the moment, especially because I'm an damaged skin barrier person, so I really rely on this. Your skin is made up of 50% of ceramides, 25% of cholesterol, and 15% of fatty acids. So if you are looking to repair your skin, you should be looking for products that have ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. That is really going to help restore your skin and get it back to where it needs to be. And this hunty over here, she is gonna help you. Really, really amazing. I've gone through like 3 bottles already. I adored this product. The other product to use is the Rescue Oil. This has 80% of squalene in it, and squalene is skin identical. It occurs naturally in the sebum of your skin. It's an amazing moisturizer and does a great job of preventing transepidermal water loss. That's basically why you're struggling with that dry skin, because you have transepidermal water loss. The Rescue Oil also has fatty acids and humectants, which is exactly what your skin needs during its damaged state. Alright, so we're getting close to the end. If you're looking for anti-aging, the superstar ingredient for anti-aging is retinol. So Skin Functional has 2. They have a 0.5% retinol and they have a 0.1% retinaldehyde, which is equal to 1% retinol. A retinol is a very potent active ingredient, and I would suggest that if you've never used it before, that you slowly introduce it into your skincare. That means not putting it directly onto your skin, having other products underneath so it sort of acts like a buffer, and also not using it every single night. So you introduce it slowly. Remember, more is not better. If you start with the 1% retinol and your skin gets used to it and you don't see any effects on it, you're gonna have to then move to perhaps prescription retinol. So start from the bottom, see how it works for you, try to prolong using the lower concentration for as long as you can before you move on to the higher concentration, because your skin does get used to stuff and it stops working as effectively, and then you're gonna have to move to much more stronger things. And the advice there is to remember not to mix your retinols on your exfoliation days. I don't want to bombard you anymore. I've spoken more than enough. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've gotten this far, then you might as well subscribe to my channel. It's always such a fabulous time with you guys, and I can't wait to see you again.